Welcome back to RZ Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. This week, I'm back with another Let's Customize series featuring Bandai 30 Minutes Mission Plastic Model Kit. This time, let's build a Trike, a 3-wheels vehicle using various of 30 Minutes Mission parts, and it can transform into a mecha mode. This Trike has 2 big wheels at the front and a small wheel at the back, or we call it as a reverse Trike, equipped with 2 cannons on the top and a booster at the back. Without further ado, let's get started. Here's the list of parts that I'm using for this build. You can pause this video to check all the parts that I'm using. The cannon bike, air fighter, option weapon number 1, tank, spinatio, spacecraft, attack submarine, standard alto with option armor number 9, and few 3mm size of runners to make a new pack connection. Start off by separating the main body parts of alto. Use the runner about this length and put it inside this polycap to make a new pack connection. Next, grab this part from the submarine and connect it like this. Grab this connector from the tank and put this at the back, and we will get this kind of joint. Grab this backpack from the option part and snap it like this till you get this kind of movable parts. Simply attach the backpack to the Alto's main body. Now the main body is completed. The side skirts are from the air fighter parts. Just simply attach both parts like this. Make sure the sharp end is at the front. Do the same thing with the other side as well. Next, the rear attachment. Grab this part from the spacecraft and this booster, connect it to the back. Now we have a very small wheel and a booster. It's not complete yet. Get 2 pieces of 3mm size runner and put them right here on both sides to make a new packs. Attach this part using this hole at the back, and this part will become built-in stand too for the mecha mode. Connect the chicken feet to the alto and this black connector for both arms. Next, we're gonna make the backpack. Grab another 3mm size of runner to make a new pack, so you can connect this part right here. Attach this part to the back like this and fold it downward. I'm using spinatio head because it looks pretty cool. And grab this part from the cannon bike and put it on this backpack. Do it for the other side as well. Next, the front wheels. Get this part from the submarine and attach it right here. Do the same thing for the other side. Connect the wheels onto the backpack like this, and don't forget the other side as well. And finally, get 2 pieces of runner and connect it to the weapons. Use the black connector as the weapon holder. Mecha mode is now completed. Let's transform it. First, rotate the head to the back and reposition both shoulder armors like this. Move the wheels at the back in this position. Bend the arm like this. Do the same thing with the other side as well. Rotate this part up and the other side too. Now you can reposition the backpack with the wheels towards the front, carefully doing it because it fits just about right. Use this black connector to lock the wheels in place. Rotate the hand in this position. Do the same thing with the other side as well. Trust me, everything will fit perfectly in place. Next, rotate this bottom part. Open up the side skirt a bit so you can bend both legs like this. Use the pack that we made earlier and slide it inside this hole on both legs. They will fit perfectly in place. Reposition the side skirt like this. Same with the other side as well. Next, move the entire rear body parts to the top and move this part downward a bit more so we can attach the weapons using the pack that we made earlier. Do the same thing with this side too. There we have our reverse Trike. No extreme modding are needed, such as gluing, cutting, and drilling. All you need are the parts mentioned and 3mm size of runner. You can use this concept design to make your own version of Trike. using whatever parts that you have with you. And for me, I love to share my ideas and hoping you guys to get inspired and having fun in custom building. If you have any question, just leave a comment down below. I will try my best to reply it. So that's all the video for today. Stay safe, stay cool, and see you guys next time. Ciao. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on RZ Eizy Customizer Facebook page and my Instagram RZ Eizy. The links are in the description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, reviews, tutorials, and many more, because here on RZ Eizy Customizer we build, we share, and we're inspired. See you guys next time. Ciao.